AliClad is an aluminium weatherboard system. It's designed with a unique range of finishes from a matte anodised look through to wood grain or solid colours. This allows us to meet the design brief of any type of architectural facade. We very seldom see a building now with just one cladding style on it, so the interfaces between one system and another were really important. Also, achieving a really high wind zone loading was vital, as well as being non-combustible. We have learned a lot from all of our installers in terms of what makes a good product. So we started looking at AliClad. We really dialed into how it would function with other types of cladding systems, what was unique about the design, what they'd learnt from the products that we were currently installing that we could enhance and make better. So AliClad really is a function of all of that design knowledge and experience that the group has, and it's all built into one product. So we're really excited about AliClad and what it can achieve, and not just in a commercial application in high-rise, but also rolling into residential work and also projects that require a maintenance-free long-term performance factor